what's up? On my way to get my oil change, and I'm gonna get my emissions. We live in Maryland, you know what that is. Yo, you know what I don't understand? Like, how did it go from like 20s to fucking today? It's supposed to be like 60s. Like, it snowed like the other day or some shit. But yeah, like, how the fuck did it do that? Fucking weird. I just want a bad bitch. This is how this nigga park, bruh. This nigga think he Bumblebee and shit. We know who don't go to car meets here. This one. No dinking. Shit was fucking great. Raider Nation. Mr. Angry. Dr. Michael. Fuck off. Where's your bus? Short bus. That's it. You. I'll record you.
Tucker, come on.
Wait for it. Oh, no.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.